Have you ever imagined controlling your phone just by thinking? No tap, no voice command, just your brain directly talking to technology. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is real, and it's already happening. This is how you'll use your brain to control technology. A US-based company called Synchron has developed a device called the Stentrode, a brain-computer interface that doesn't require open brain surgery. Unlike Elon Musk's Neuralink, which needs drilling into the skull, Synchron's device is inserted through a blood vessel, similar to a heart stent. Once inside, it travels to the brain's motor cortex, the region responsible for movement, and picks up electrical signals. These signals are then decoded by external software and turned into commands, like moving a cursor or clicking a button. In clinical trials, paralyzed patients have already used it to text, shop online, and even send emails just by thinking. So, how does it actually work? The Stentrode contains tiny sensors that detect neural activity. These signals are transmitted wirelessly to a device implanted in the chest, similar to a pacemaker. From there, the signals are sent to a computer where AI decodes them in real time. Think of it like Wi-Fi, but from your brain. You think about moving your hand, and the system translates that into a cursor moving on a screen. No cables, no invasive wires sticking out of your head. Just thought, action. For people with conditions like ALS, spinal cord injuries, or strokes, this is life-changing. Imagine being trapped in your body, unable to move or speak, and suddenly you can communicate again. But this goes beyond accessibility. Brain-computer interfaces could eventually help treat depression, restore memory, or even control robotic limbs. The line between mind and machine is beginning to blur. But with great power comes creepy implications. What happens when our thoughts become data? Can your brain signals be hacked? Can tech companies collect and analyze what you're thinking? Ethical concerns around privacy, consent, and even identity are now part of the conversation. And there's another question. Are we ready to let machines read our minds? Still, brain-computer interfaces are coming fast. Synchron has already received FDA approval for human trials. Other companies like Neuralink, Paradromics, and BlackRock Neurotech are racing to bring their versions to market. In 10 years, we might not need keyboards or even touchscreens. You might scroll TikTok just by thinking it. But the real revolution? It won't be what these devices can do. It will be how they change what it means to be human. We're entering an era where your thoughts could be your password, your mouse, or your voice. Whether it's exciting or terrifying, one thing's clear. This is how you'll use your brain to control technology.